Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third Sudoku puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Monday, February the 22nd, 2021. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle, and this one will be number 2365. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Then between two ones comes an O. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and a fourth one. So this should be an O. Alright. Let me see. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Yeah. Yeah. We need to compare this row and that row. 001110011 empty box 00. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Alright. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Alright. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah. Double O. Yeah. This column and the first column. 001111 empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. With a 1 here, this should be an O. With an O there, this should be a 1. Alright. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Four ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in one, double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Completed in 5 minutes. Alright. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle, a tectonic one, aka Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now. Yes.